Erica Terry Derryck. She is the new, as of January 27th, Director of Communications for Oakland Mayor Libby Schaaf. And yes, we are, as you can see, connected on LinkedIn. And her background, Director of Communications, obviously. Prior to that, Senior Manager, Employee Engagement and Communications, Global Affairs for Gap Incorporated. Manager, Global HR Communications, Gap Incorporated. And she was there for 2 years, and then prior to that, a year in that other position. Then she was Communications Director for the San Francisco District Attorney's Office for 2 years and 4 months. Acting Communications Director, San Francisco District Attorney, 1 year and 3 months. Deputy Communications Director, San Francisco District Attorney's Office, 4 months. State Communications Director, Fight Crime, Invest in Kids, California, 2 years, 5 months. Publications Manager, Collegiate School. Associate Segment Producer, MTV News and Documentaries for 3 years. MTV News Reporter, 1999 to 2000. A desk assistant at ABC News, Director of Publications at the Fresh Air Fund. Top skills, public relations, strategic communications, editing, crisis communications. Erica Terry Derryck.